Welcome everyone to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, the 31st, last day, baby, of January 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I hope it was a good trading day. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're going to start off by looking at the S&P 500 first. All right, let's go take a look and check it out. So we've just had this rock and roll move in the last couple of weeks. Months actually on the S&P, but this move right here is what I'm referring to, about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks long. Great move. Yesterday's push up to all-time highs. Yesterday we had a high of 49.28.5. Today we had a high of 49.31, so a new high put in on the S&P 500 today. Ka-ching, baby. Right, so overall bullish bias. I like where the pattern's going. So let's go ahead and jump in and start looking at our stocks. The very first one is ACN. Right, so we had a nice close on ACN near that 373.58 level. So if we're looking at the ideal pattern here, I want bullish. So I needed to get above the 373.5 level, retest and bounce. If it can do that, we're looking at 381-ish is our resistance. So right about 379, 379.5 maybe would be a target. All right, that's a possibility. For the downside, I don't have a lot of room. And we are in a true bullish bias. I like it much better to the upside. But if we push up to the 373.5 and we fail, we're looking like 368.25. 368.5 is our support. So right about 370 would be my target. So again, not a lot of room. $2 or $3 move on the stock. That's all it is. But you definitely have the opportunity to go both directions with it. Then we're going to look at DLR. Now let me back this puppy up. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Wrong button. Let's unscrunch. All right. So there's the fib. Good fib, right? Still valid. We're sitting up right near that 397.78 level, right? So break the three. It's a true bullish bias. I prefer this to go to the upside. Break the 398 level. Retest, bounce. 410 is resistance. Actually, we need a 400-point level in here. So let's go add a 400. I usually have 100-point levels on this, so we're going to add this as a dash dot. We're going to add it as a reddish color. Click OK. What did I do? Let's try that again. Maybe I didn't do 400. Maybe I did 4 or something. 400. Right, dash dot. Make it that red color. That's just my standard for how I draw it. There we go. Right there it is. Okay. So we got 398, we got 400, we're right there, folks. So you may want to wait for it to clear the 400. That will be your call, whether it just bounces up to 398, 399, half, whatever you take the trade, or you wait for it to clear the 400. But now we're looking at about 410 as resistance, so right around 408, 409, somewhere in there could be a potential target to the upside. For the downside, hit the 398 level and fail, and we're looking at 392.5 as support, so right about 394 is my target. So I've got about $3 or $4 in there that we can have that stock move. Overall, not too shabby, all right? But I definitely like the upside a lot better on DLR. And then we have DLR. So DLR, here's my original fib, really nice fib, right? We've had a great move the last couple of days. And what happened? We pushed into the 146 and we failed off of it today. True bullish bias yet again. So if we get the downside here, retest the 146 and fail, and 142 is support. So probably about 143-ish would be my target, give or take. And then on the upside, woo, maybe. What do we got going there? All right, I need to see more time. All right, so I need to add a fibit in there. So we're going to edit this line right here. And we're going to add a negative 809. That'll split that level in half. Right? Okay, we'll click OK. So now we're looking at get above the 146, retest and bounce. 153 is support resistance. So 151-ish, give or take, would be a target. Overall, I like it a lot. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one, and I will see you all at our next update. Take care, folks. Bye for now.